Hi, everyone, and welcome to this webinar session. My name is Francois Flech. I'm in charge of marketing and strategy at PcVue. And today I introduced the digital assistants for operations as part of a webinar series around PcVue version 16. So as you can see, we will cover many other topics of PcVue 16, and today we focus on digital assistance for operations. So for those who don't already know our company and product, PcVue, who are we, what we do? We are a software company dedicated for monitoring and control software. So basically, our software platform gather raw data from any kind of sources, devices, systems, using an open connectivity with many drivers, more than 150 built-in drivers, open standard, and so on. The platform is also able to convert those raw data to relevant information for the operations with data processing. It allows the operator to display and control real-time values from the field, and the platform can also record all data and do some reporting and sharing to a third-party system. So we've had for 40 years in various markets and with a worldwide presence. So our offer is based on our platform, software platform, embedded technologies and features. PcVue platform, as I just described, is an HMI SCADA platform, data with data processing, reporting, and remote and sharing capabilities. We also sell some partners platforms for reporting, on-call management, or historian. So those software platform, um, combined with the support and services that we offer, hotline, training, pre-sales, and technical assistances, allows to provide our customers, our users, with some applications solution applied to several different markets. So depending on your need and on the market, we do have solutions for monitoring and control your system. Let's stop for a second on the trends that we can observe today in this post-COVID period. It's true that we can observe new ways of working and also new needs. There's less and less like central control room with many people. Control room are now more designed to be with less people, and there's many workers moving around sites or around multiple sites. So the frontline operators are faced with complex situations that require rapid efficiency. And as they are now more mobile and moving, they must be assisted in their actions. And they need intuitive and easy to use system that does not waste their time. Basically, um, they need to focus on their tasks. So for that, and because there's more and more mobile users, mobile workers, there's also a need for remote communication with the teams and with the manager, for example, for validation. So it's really important that when you are remotely and in remote situation, to be able to validate what you are doing, and also the control center need to obtain information and the report of the situation. So this can be done with a more digitalized a flow of data and information, called that paperless. So information can be exchange in real time with all the stakeholders, teams, on-site teams, control center, experts, manager, and whoever is involved in the operations. So this is one facet to help the operators, the remote operators, to work in a more efficient way, and also to be more efficient on their task. Another point is that when you have many people remotely spread around several areas, geographical areas, it's really important to keep the link between all those people and the resources. So the resources can be a document, can be a portal, a web portal, can be a procedure, can be any resources needed to perform the task. And all those resources must be shared in real time between all the people involved in the operation for a better cooperation and also for better efficiency. Obviously. So those trends led us to think about designing a solution, a mobile solution, and to improve our mobile solution with some key points. So the solution we are talking about here is a mobile app, but it's much more than a mobile app. And it should and it must assist the user, frontline operators, manager, workers, anyone who need to remotely perform some operation. It assists those people with key point like the step-by-step guidance. It's very interesting not to have to go into a complex menu and find the information. If the information can come to you automatically, it's obviously a plus. And for example, the kind of information you may have are contextual information. It means that you are in front of a machine and you need to know all the information from this machine. So with the solution we have designed, you have a mobile app, you go in front of the machine and automatically you will have displayed all information relevant for you, for your duty, displayed on the screen. So this is a very intuitive solution to get real-time information. Also, you need to be in real time in contact with all your colleagues, all the teams. So for that, there's a possibility to first access to all the resources shared in real time, and to have this link between all of them. So at the end, what we've designed is an intelligent mobile. It's a mobile app, but with some intelligence. And the very important point is that this app is fully customizable. It means that it's not a frozen mobile app, as you can see everywhere, that, it's a turnkey mobile app. And then if you want to change it, or if you want to adapt the mobile app to your need, it's not possible. With our mobile app, you can customize it and in a very easy way, as I will show you. So this is the benefit and the value added we want to have with our solution, basically to be able to assist in a very smart way and easy way the users in motion. So behind that, few features. One feature is to be able to see and to have an overview of all the fleet of the mobile user and workers, especially for better organization. If you have to perform a task very quickly on a zone, if you see that you have a team very close to the task to be done, then you can request the team to move to this task. Also, it allows better security because once again, if a team has an issue and need help, you can quickly and efficiently locate the team and send some help. We also have in this mobile app a smart bot. So this smart bot is really a smart companion for the user, asking the relevant question and answering in a relevant way for many situations to help and to guide the user. So this is a key point of this solution. It's also possible to make some automatic tasks for reporting, for example. So if the user perform a task, it's very easy for the user to report the task and send that to the control center. There's also an access to all enterprise information systems, such as the calendar system or the messaging system, the emailing system, for example. And there is a built-in instant messaging, so it's a private and secured instant messaging system, allowing the user to communicate to each other. And as I said, all the interface is fully customizable. So when we talk about intelligent assistant, if we summarize here, we talk about a mobile app that is able to automate some tasks in a customizable way. It addresses a wide scope of application, so it's difficult to give you a specific example because basically there's no one example, there's 100 examples. It really depends on your needs and on your context. And to customize this, you have a low-code interface, and it's really user-friendly, I would say. So if you take few moments about the behind the scene, you can see here the part of the interface. So it's really a no-code interface. There's some blocks, and all those blocks can be used depending on the need to do some workflow, to trigger some events, and so on and so on. So there's maybe many possibilities, and it's really user friendly. So talking about the use cases covered by this solution, there's many use cases. What we propose here, it's basically an open mobile app that you can design your way to fit your needs. So that can be application forms, that can be job orders, that can be a field operation management system, and so on and so on. So we do have application, for example, for EV charging station for maintenance and also for the car user. We do have example for maintenance of a pump, and then you can easily maintain and go on site for the pump. So there's really many use cases. So feel free to contact us, and we could discuss depending on what you need. Well, this is time for questions and answers. I do have some question that I can share with you, and I can try to answer as well. There's many questions, so I won't be able to answer to all, but then you can ask question, and we try to answer to you after the webinar. One question here is it possible to use this mobile app independently, or is it linked to PcVue? Well, both are possible. So this mobile solution can be easily added to a PcVue project, an existing PcVue project, but you can also use this independently if you need. Is there some templates of application for this mobile solution? So we do provide some example of mobile app, so you can create from those example your own application. So yes, we provide some example, and it's not yet done, but in the next version there will be more library of visual templates as well for this mobile app. Is there a need for an internet connection to run this mobile app? No. Definitely you need a network, but can be a local network. No need to be connected to internet. No need to subscribe an account or something like that. It's really something you can keep locally in your network. Well, thank you very much for your attention, guys. My name is Francois Flech. If you need to have more information, please contact me to my address here. And thank you very much again, and hope to see you for the next session of our webinar series. Thank you. Bye.